happening, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to install one of my first winter upgrades, one of my Black Friday purchases. I decided to go ahead and get the Flo adjustable levers. Small complaint with my Harley here is just the way my levers adjusted. My clutch lets out really far out, so I'm actually going to take a measurement. We'll see how much I can adjust these in. So for the 130 bucks I got those for on Black Friday, I figured it'd be easier to just try out these adjustable levers. Otherwise I really don't have a problem with stock ones. But seen a lot of guys running these, so I picked them up on Black Friday. I think they were 20% off. So nicely packaged, some stickers there. That's from my other purchase. So just went with black. I decided not to do an accent color. Much like a motocross lever, they have the breakaway style and the adjustment, which you can bring the angle in there. Otherwise they mount just as stock. So we're gonna slap these on the bike and see. Stock levers in the stock form. Fully out, we'll do center to center. About 5 3/8 as far as a reach. And I mean, I don't think I have small hands or anything, but
you do.
Gloves on or anything is like, sometimes I find myself slipping the clutch a little bit because like the release is like right there and all the way out. I'm like kind of at the edge of my finger span. So I'm looking forward to bringing these in a bit. So I'm gonna get these put on. These is a decent set of snap ring pliers, which I don't have, so I'm probably gonna struggle. It's a little snap ring to get the pin out, and then pin drops in with a little sleeve. It should be as simple as that. All right, so I already got the clutch slide on. On the brake side, I pulled the pin out with the snap ring, but you actually have to take, I'm gonna move the brake perch, so I gotta undo my bar clamp here because this little tab, which I believe is the brake light sensor switch there, is pinched in there. So we just gotta loosen that up and then we'll get this other one installed. All right, got both these installed, pretty straightforward. Adjusted them a bit, got a decent fit. There's a little bit of slop on the thickness here compared to stock, but I don't think it's anything you'll notice when you're riding once you get used to them. Definitely happy with how much I brought the clutch lever in. I got it a lot closer to the bars because this clutch lets out pretty late. So let's see how much we brought those in. I know I measured before I put these on. So that is now about 4 1/4. Not sure what it was before. And sitting right about 2 inches away from the bar. So it's shortened up the pull a lot. So it's kind of nice. So I'll have to give final thoughts after I actually get to go for a ride.